Hello, Ivan, old school, Lexus 2013 hybrid, and here is what we have. And if you guys familiar with hybrid Toyota products, I can tell you a couple things to be looking at the beginning. Well, this one I didn't think it would be that bad, but look at this. 1, 2, 3. Number 4 cylinder is good. So we got water and 3 cylinders. Well, I don't think I should waste my time on further checking it. I think this is pretty much tells it. Nothing in the oil. Oh, yeah, I can see sludge. Yep, it's all there. 100% head gasket. Well, the reason it happens on the hybrids only because it starts the engine at high RPMs, like let's say 3,000-4,000, whatever you need, and the expansion of the material it starts to expand too fast, and that screws up the gasket. Simple as that. Every Toyota engine like that I've seen is gonna have a movement. You can see on the gasket there is a movement of cylinders, just because the normal car engine is not meant to be started at 3,000 RPM and kick in a full power. No, you're supposed to start it up, warm it up, and then you can do whatever you wanna do. Even that you have a heat that keeps the coolant in the operating temperature does not make the metal inside of the cylinders the temperature of a combustion, so doesn't mean that you can start this engine and just go. No, you need. That's the whole problem with hybrid Toyota products. They either need to use a different engine or just stop messing with the hybrid stuff. All the gas savings are right here. That job is not cheap one. Alright, thank you.